Ja, o te whatalo whati nei tai a fōu. Le whamai, me se o le tātou whiro e nei tai ao e whalau loa e a se tasi o Kalame. O lo una ia le tātou World Cup. O la kapi, o le kira o Kalame nei. E una ia e ta longa al whanau a aonga mai sumalu tanga i runga i tausanga ai so o tau au malanganga maununga in ia whai ai on maua le soifua maloloi na le whanau ma tau fia ai le mai lea o te re nga whainai whanau le Pasifika o le tuai ngā soifua maurunga o soifua ai. Me lea le non-communicable diseases. Ane wharupe tātou o whamai so tau au fitu pe manu pe a. O lea o lo tele ina mariri wai ia tangata le Pasifika. Ya mafuafula le leo o iai le programe le leo o aveai ia sunga ia So'oialo ia ka alo mawa e All Blacks ia ma Hurricane sa ta alo ia ne fo i alo Samoa o ia la leo e o fitfilia nei le World Cup e vea ma ampasa e o mai whaalau nol po Kalame nei ia ma whaangalo lava i tonu aonga e na ia maua e tātou whanau ia soifua nei ina i otu tāalo e ni tāalo malos ia o le whangu mai atoa na e mea ia o ma sui o tātou malo e ma mone po in whaktai e nā tō nei a meso alo Samoa o lo tau la mua i le una ia o nei fo i ati na i lei mol soifua leo tātou tangata. Ia on whasi sinanga na tāua mo nei tai awa lela a saunot fo i So'oialo.
Just thank you for the opportunity. We obviously there's a big initiative in trying to promote healthy living, especially with the new equipment that we've the initiative that we partnership with Samoa Rugby Union. It's just to basically get the understanding of getting out there and getting healthier living for our children and hopefully try and grow some relationship in between. But the main thing is about the health for us. And this initiative with Quick Rip is very important to try to stimulate that knowledge in that area. Just thank you for that.
Thank you very much. I do not need to interpret what I said already, except that if you have any children, send them, encourage them to participate in this program so that they will grow up to be tough and healthy young players of rugby, so that they will go overseas and play and represent our country.